Hello and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to add subtracks in Wrike. You add tags that you want to add a subtract. How do you do it? The first thing you need to do is to find the tag itself. Navigate to the folder, project or space where you want to add the subtracks. Then click on the tags to open it in the tags view. Then click the add sub item button. This button is usually located within the tag details panel. Next, you have to enter the name of the first subtag. Once you've written the name of the first subtags, the next thing you do is press enter. So this will create the first subtags. You can add more subtags. Click the add item button again and enter the name of the next subtag. You can do it repeatedly for as many subtags as you want. It's as simple as that. With these three simple steps, you can add subtags to in Wrike. Now, the next alternative method you can use is called the drag and drop method. You can also create subtags by dragging and dropping existing tags under a parent tag. You can also use the Wrike AI. Another method you can use. Wrike AI can help you create subtags from the tag description. Simply highlight the tag within the tag description and use the AI subtag creation feature. Now, there are some things you need to consider. 1. Use subtags to break down larger tags into smaller, more manageable components. That is what is called the subtag structure. Next, you can assign subtags to different team members to distribute workload effectively. And then, always set due dates for each subtask to ensure timely completion. By effectively utilizing subtasks within Wrike, you can improve task organization, enhance project visibility, and increase team productivity. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.